Do you actually need a lawyer for your accident case? Greg Klote here from Halvorsen Klote Davis, and I'm going to talk with you about when sometimes you don't need a lawyer and the times that you probably should get a lawyer. And I'll go over these today with you. The honest truth is not every case needs an accident lawyer. Each case has their own specific facts and circumstances, and if the injury is small enough or non-existent or clear-cut, there may be times when you don't need an attorney. Some cases that you may not need an attorney. If it's property damage only, if there's scratches, dents, damage, the other party's accepted liability, there's no injuries as a result, there's no treatment as a result, and you're able to just handle this with the other insurance company cleanly, you probably don't need an attorney in that situation. Some tiny soft tissue cases where you may have gone to urgent care or your primary doctor, you took some Advil or painkiller, and you feel better in a few days. Those are probably some situations where you may not need an attorney at all. On a rare case, the insurance company may accept liability and offer a fair settlement. This doesn't happen too often. This is very rare, but in that circumstance, that's fine. You can handle that case yourself. But again, this is very rare that the insurance company actually does this. When do you need a lawyer? Well, first, cases that involve hospitalization, surgeries, long-term treatment. When your medical bills get into the thousands, 10,000s of dollars and your injuries get serious, this is when an attorney can add 3 to 5 times the value on your claim. Any claim with a disputed liability, where the other party's pointing the finger at you, you know you're not at fault, there's no witnesses, maybe the police report was not done correctly, that's when an attorney can help you out in those circumstances. Any case where the other party is uninsured or you need to dip into your underinsured coverages. These are first-party claims that have to be handled through your own insurance policy, and they're very technical. Typically, an attorney is much more skilled and able to help you out in filing these claims and pursuing them. Sometimes people have prior injuries. These cases definitely would need an attorney to help out. You have to get medical experts to review, see if those injuries are separate and distinct from the prior injuries, even if in the same area. Those are where an attorney can really help you and add value. Also, cases involving permanent scarring, long-term lost wages, significant injuries. Attorney can add a lot of value here, and we can work out whether through an economist or a plastic surgeon or through a life care planner, looking at the long-term effects, whether wage, disfigurement, or serious injury, what that will look like in terms of value to you. Lastly, anytime you feel like the insurance company's offer is just not a fair offer, and this happens quite often, that's another time it's good to give an attorney a call and see, hey, is this a fair value of this claim? Here's what they've offered me. Attorney will do that at no cost. They'll do a free consultation with you and we'll speak with you and let you know, hey, is this fair or not? So how can an attorney add value after you hire them? Well, first of all, negotiations are a big one. Adjusters are experts at negotiations. Lawyers are experts at negotiations. So you need an attorney to match them, to be able to go toe-to-toe with them on the negotiations. And how do you help with negotiations? Evidence. An attorney can gather all the evidence needed, whether that's medical records, treatment, bills, accident reports, experts, anything you need an attorney can gather, and the more evidence that helps your claim, the better. Another one is medical bill reduction. A lot of times people have medical bills, they may be $80,000, $75,000, $100,000, but an attorney can get them reduced significantly. There's different statutes that allowed for us to get those bills reduced, or a lot of times we just negotiate with them and the providers are willing to reduce a significant amount to get this resolved. Last, of course, if your case needs to go to trial, an attorney can be there. Attorney knows the rules of evidence. Attorney knows the rules of civil procedure in that state or federal court. They can help guide you and get you through a trial and get higher value on your case. What does this cost to get an attorney? I get this question all the time. And most all personal injury attorneys work on a contingency fee, typically a third, or it might go up if the lawsuit's filed. But what that means is their job is to try to get you the most money because it helps them. Attorneys are trying to get their clients the maximum compensation, okay? They're trying to get them the most money, and yes, there is a fee at the end for attorneys, but this is not up front. This is not hourly. This is only if the attorney gets you a good result, okay? It is in their incentives to work hard for you. Feel free to give us a call. We'll help you evaluate your case, whether that's you've already received an offer or you just got in an accident. Sometimes I'll look at it and be honest with you and say, hey, just take the offer. I think you can handle this. But if I think I can add value and maximize your compensation, we will let you know. Accidents happen. We can help. Halvorsen Klote Davis.